was unexpected again. Roaming wild elephant in the background there. So this is portraying another town, really where the floating market is. And even the music that resonates around the park is so cool. I was just saying that the music that resonates around here is just lovely, isn't it?
Makes me want to go to sleep.
See, this is what I'm talking about how they've replicated something that's hundreds, even maybe thousands of years old, to make it look as though that is something that has been there through the ages of time. And I mean, this is an example. When was this built? I ain't got a blinking Scooby. Oh well, that blew that one. I was going to look in to see when that one was built, and it's all in Thai. Because some of them do have an English description to them. Is this more coos? Animals in the area, do not approach. Rabid chickens. Wow, I thought I said, are these real or are they just imitations to make it look good? And then there's the coos over there in traditional old style Thai farms. There you go, there's the rabid chickens. They're flesh-eating chickens. We've got a shrine in there. So here you go. So this example here, this was initially built around 1455, 600 years ago, and they've replicated it to look like that. I mean, got to go and have a look inside there. Oh, we can't. It's bricked up. Wonder what's through that little hole in the brick there. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, we're gonna have a go. Oh my word. Watch out, guys. This is going through the Indiana Jones territory. Da, 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 da. And I'm exploring the chedi. Felt like Indiana Jones going through there. Look at that. That's a cracking view to get. Let's see if we can get the other side. I've got back out alive, unscathed. I'm unscathed from the terrors of the Temple of Doom. I bet you're probably not allowed to do that, but it was fun. Got a fantastic aerial high up view over there, babe. Again. No bus allowed, that's just souvenirs over there. Obviously done it in the style of the traditional Thai buildings. And there you are. So this is from Chiang Rai, which me and Susie visited last year, and we went to see the Silver Temple, or known as also the White Temple, the Blue Temple and the Black. And it's an assembly hall in Chiang Rai. So as you can see, they've depicted everybody assembling. Oh Jesus, it gets worse, doesn't it? And there you go, big Buddha at the back. And all the Buddhas there meditating. Oh, there's a bit of action going on here. Water breathing dragons. They're cool. I tell you what, this pesky Thai moose gets in the way all the time. I thought I'd seen enough going back there, but this is just too amazing to not put on. It's just beautiful. I can't emphasize enough the incredible mixture of the historic attractions, the gardens, the layout. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's so calming walking through here without, you can hear the running water in places, and got the music playing. Poor Susie, she's not having the best of days today, are you, babe? No. Her nose is clearing up with the tablets that we got yesterday, but just feeling a bit drowsy now. Which is a real shame. And this is coming back down to where we started. I'm going to nip up the other side of this river, lake, because there's one attraction that I really do want to get. Susie said she's going to have a sit down and chill, and then we'll go for something to eat. Coconut was nice. We just had a coconut each. That was really refreshing. Drinking straight out of the coconut. But I mean, just look at that building there. That is one hell of a building, isn't it? Oh my word. Well, this will be the last attraction, as you can see behind me. It's certainly one of a difference, and Susie's just having a sit down. She's had enough because we had to double back to go up to this one. But yeah, let's go and have a look at this final attraction here. So certainly very, as I said, very different. Simmeru Mountain. Considered the pillar of the world as well as the centre of the universe, supported by the Anonda fish, stays above the surface of water. The residence of spirits ranging from deities in heaven to devils in hell. Each of them is distinguished by wisdom and morality. I hope you enjoyed that tour, visit. We certainly did. I know Susie did, but obviously not the best of days for her. But we'd booked the tickets and then planned everything for the day, and she's feeling crap. But she fought on, so bless her. Hats off to her for carrying on, because it's a long walk all the way around here, and it's quite hot now, to be quite honest with you. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's at its worst or best, whichever way you look at it. But yeah, not for walking around in this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know what we're going to do this evening. Don't know what the plans are for this evening, but tomorrow's going to be really good. We've got something planned for late afternoon, evening. Very interesting, I'm sure. So tune into the next video, and please click like and subscribe. Follow our channel, give us a wee bit of support, and hopefully we can show you some interesting videos. So for now, I'll say on behalf of Susie, thanks very much. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Be safe, catch you later. Bye for now.